Great. Okay, so here is the HelloFresh box. Just opened it. It's a pretty large box. This has, I think, 3 meals in it. So it's packaged separately, I believe. Let's see here. We have that. Some coupons. What do we have? Oh, great. And they provide you these recipe guides. So I think I got the cranberry chicken and herby pan stuffing. And then the teriyaki pork luau bowls. And the apricot almond and chickpea tagine. Right there. So, and then on the back here they give you picture by picture instructions there. Alright. Okay, not too bad. Oh, very cool. They even give you a free water. There you go. Very nice. And you have separate packages of meals here. Another package of meal here. And the third one, the teriyaki one. Very nice. Okay. And it's all put inside this cooler bag, which I'll show you here. Cooler bag. Wow, this thing is huge. Oh my goodness. Inside this cooler bag, they have this huge block of ice. I don't know what to do with this. Oh, okay, this is recyclable. So for those of you out there who feel bad about waste and carbon footprint and all of that, I mean, this thing can be recycled and you just empty out the ice. And then they put the meat in these plastic wraps and then you can freeze them. So that's all very nice. I'm excited to try these. Another block of ice. Oh boy. Okay, so I have the HelloFresh meal here, and I'm gonna try this one, the apricot, almond, and chickpea tagine. So I'm really excited. It's one of their Hall of Fame ones. So it's supposed to be particularly good, and it should come out looking very nice. And let's see what happens. I also want to say that the reason I tried the HelloFresh is I'm really busy, as I'm sure a lot of working women are. So I wanted to see if this might help cut down on some of the time it takes to cook dinners and meals, whatnot. Okay, so let's get to it. Let's open this up and see what we have here. They give you a bag of rice, some cilantro, sour cream. It's a lot of sour cream. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all that sour cream. Some apricots and almond, and a zucchini, a pack of Cholula chickpeas, Tunisian spice, and sauce of some sort for the veggies, an onion. Can't have a great meal without an onion. Lemon, pepper, more sauce, and some garlic. All right, nice. It's not too bad. I think it's not the easiest meal to make, I would say, because there's so many ingredients, as you saw earlier. The instructions are pretty detailed, so I would recommend to read the instructions from start to finish first, and then go into food prep and cooking, because there are like 6 steps here, and you really don't want to miss any of the steps, because otherwise your food will taste not so great. There are probably easier meal plans out there. HelloFresh is sort of more, I think, gourmet. So if you're looking for something quicker than like 30 minutes, I wouldn't recommend going with HelloFresh. But you know, if you want to treat yourself once in a while to a nice fancier meal, HelloFresh is the way to go. I'll put a coupon code down below if you're interested in signing up for HelloFresh.